Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled beets from fresh beets. First, select fresh, firm beets, ideally about 2 inches in diameter. Trim the greens, leaving about 1 inch of stem and the root intact. Boil them until tender, which usually takes between 25 and 40 minutes. Once cool, peel the beets and slice them into uniform 1/4 inch rounds, preparing them for the next step. Next, let's craft the flavorful pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine your vinegar, water, sugar, and pickling salt. You can also add whole spices such as cloves, allspice, and bay leaves for extra depth. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 5 minutes, ensuring all the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. This brine will infuse your beets with delicious flavor. Now it's time to pack and process your beets. Carefully pack the sliced beets tightly into clean, sterilized canning jars. Pour the hot pickling brine over the beets, making sure to leave 1/2 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles. Finally, process the filled jars in a boiling water canner for 30 minutes to ensure proper sealing. Once processed, allow your jars to cool completely on a wire rack and then check for proper seals. Any unsealed jars should be refrigerated and consumed within a few weeks. Store your properly sealed jars in a cool, dark place. For the best flavor, let your pickled beets cure for at least 2 to 3 weeks before enjoying them. They make a fantastic addition to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.